Hi guys. Oops. Oh my. Okay, I am gonna practice my side eye. So hard. Oh my. I look like Chinese. I am a Chinese. I eat food. I like puppies and kittens. I am a Chinese. No, just kidding. And if you are an American and you want to go to the Philippines, just kidding means loko lang. Search it on Google Translate. Loko lang, it means just kidding. You might think, why am I always smiling now? Since I am a kid, I must spread influence to be nicer. Apparently, I just teach kids to be nicer. And join my other channel. If you are a senior high school or college student in Philippines or America, you can go to my vlog channel. It's called Branda May Karitan too. Oh my, yeah. And thank you guys for 20 subscribers. Yeah, okay. In the next video, I am gonna imitate Grow a Garden with that song I used last time when I think when I was 8 years old, 9 years old, I don't know. But there was every second you get the one hit and the song like this go din 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 din. Apparently it was amazing at that time. So yeah. Look guys. Never mind. If you are American and you're going to the Philippines, eat this. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh, Pancit Canton. Lucky me. Tang. Ooh, ooh. So yeah. Wait. Dude, all of the small creators there, we should make a short if they're about us us being up there because we always get a little okay, bye bye guys, I'm gonna talk about it, bye.